Yo, what's up, YouTube? So we're back at it again this morning. Gonna check out the watch list, see how that's performing, and move over to the scanners. So CPRX is the first one we got. Looks like three-year max. Definitely wait for this one to pull back a little bit. I do kind of spy a cup and handle though on the 20-day 1 hour. So maybe it could break out from that. But yeah, CPRX, SMSI. Okay, yeah, SMSI 323 hold. Looks like right now it's holding 323. So some news comes in as well. No news right now. SMSI, definitely one to keep an eye out on. It had an uptrend into the close yesterday. This is a 3-year high break. At 323. So SMSI. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my screen here. I don't know if SMSI, to be honest, is something I feel comfortable playing. Probably just leave it alone. Okay, so SMSI, what else we got? We got SPN, FET. So I got FET pulled up on the right here. Gonna check out SPN as well. So 450s, yeah, maybe. MBRV, gonna check that one out. Looks like it is getting toppy around 310. So yeah, with FET, MBRV, and SPN, we're waiting on pullbacks for at least 20 cents minimum. Now let's go ahead and scan for some pre-market breakouts. Okay, so right away we got CEI. Okay, CEI, NBEV, VXRT, GE, NBEV, MBRX. Okay, so MBRX, no, VXRT maybe, TRNX a little too cheap. I'm just kind of going through some here. I'll pull it up on the main screen for everyone to see the chart. Okay, ATAI is gapping up 15%. That may be one to watch. So stocks in play today. Journ. Anything that's gapping up. CI, no. Too cheap. Okay. %. Okay. ATAI. 11%. YRIV. So ATAI, YRIV, OPI. So ATAI, nothing really that interesting. Hold on. Is this a breakout? 20-day and 10-day. This is a breakout. So who knows? Maybe we will hold well at $1. International education. Okay. ATAI. for sure. Keep an eye out on that. Other one was LCI, I believe. Yeah. So LCI, really not interested in. So yeah, CMRX. TMSR. So TMSR, CMRX. The CMRX is getting resisted at 235. So ATAI will be an interesting setup to watch. I may want to attack if it comes down to $1. Right now it's opening around 117, 120. Or it's at that level. We open here in 8 minutes. Nasdaq's down 20 points. So it's not a good sign. But $729,000. MBRX. Yeah, I'll go back and MBRX wasn't something actually I was interested in. So waiting on some pullbacks right now. Mainly for the watch list, like specifically FET and SPN. Not gonna chase those. ATAI is gonna be interesting. Let me check the float on ATAI. Okay, 6 million float. Only 0.15% short shares percentage of outstanding. So short interest. Okay. It's already traded over 100,000 shares pre-market. Yeah, so ATAI, we'll see how that opens. CCNI. Okay, so 550, 548, or 548, 550. Maybe it can hold that level. Looks like we got 4 minutes still open. $5.50. I don't know, it seems like it's broke that level though, so it's probably bearish because it broke half of its original spike. ATAI on the other hand, could have a dollar breakout. We'll see what kind of upside this has. Well, it's already, I mean, I could have attacked it already and made a quick 10%. I don't know if it's really smart to wait for a pullback on it, but volume's definitely 70K right now, over 100,000 shares on the morning. It's okay, CCNI, ATAI. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy at the open here though. Okay, so CCNI right away is moving. What do we got moving? What do we got moving? MBRX, okay. HEAI. Ooh, looks like the Dow's opening pretty weak. HEAI though, something to keep an eye out on. Watch list, what's moving. CPRX is MBRV a little bit. Okay. So ATAI, CCNI. CHK. Wow. Okay. Yeah, ATAI. ATAI is really taking off now. OPI. Wow, and just as I was watching those, ATAI breaks. Oh, wow. Now it's up over 50%. I'm so upset. CCNI up 26%. am I upset with myself. Taking my eyes off that play. I don't know what happened there, guys. I went into a state of paralysis, but ATAI definitely should have played, even in hindsight. I was looking at this 20-day or this 180-day chart, breaking 3 month highs. Oh, that, I'm not gonna lie, that really affects me. ATAI though, let's see, it's up 60% now. So it broke 137, 135. ATAI, AVO, ATAY. Okay. So yeah, ATAI, freaking missed it. But CCNI is selling off here. Oh, god dang it. I'm so upset with myself. It's up 70% now. Oh my god. I'm trying to see if how much longer until it takes out its next high. So it took out the 140s. So I will be looking for a potential bounce at that level. God dang it, I missed it. Oh, I'm so upset right now. So CCNI got a bounce at 530, which is a bullish signal. Okay. Got a hammer. Not really a hammer, actually. Now I see some selling pressure kicking in the 580s. Logically so. But this channel between 530 and 580. $548, $545. Okay, 535. CCI. Yeah, I don't want to chase here. $534, $540. $544. The ask, $545. This is tough because it's right at a resistance level here in the 550s. So could be a terrible buy. So I'm just gonna pass. Even though volume is significantly higher. $545. $543. Yeah, I think I'm good on that. And let's see here. CMRX, MRIN. CMRX, MRIN, MVIS. No. Okay. CCNI, selling off. MRIN. Okay. So CPRX is the only watch list. Excuse me. So ATAI, obviously the move of the day. Oh God. Woke up, it was threatening 120 area. ATAI, definitely one. One to save for the ages. Okay, now it's at 190. It could go even more. It could keep going. I'm not going to get caught in this because I don't want to get on the back side of this move, but I think this will keep going. If it holds at 190. Oh yeah, keeps going. $6 million float. You saw it. And the catalyst TMSR. And I'm sorry, I can't stop thinking about it because I just want to play it so badly still. TMSR. MLNT, MBRX. Man, I just want to yell right now. I can't believe I missed that play with ATAI. I know I sound like a baby whining, but this is going to keep going too, because I broke that top wick resistance at 190, and that's how shorts think, you know. Yeah, I wouldn't chase ATAI here. Shorts are gearing up here in the 220s, most likely. $205, yeah. So there's a 220 resistance on that stock. But other than that, it's a pretty boring market. There's really not a whole lot. going on. CPRX. CNI is selling off down to the $5 region. Could find support around $5. Wow. And ATAI just keeps on going. This looks like it's going parabolic in the morning. MBIS. Okay, so BLNK. It's interesting, it's like a bullish flag. I don't know, this is one of those days where I'm just tempted to walk away. It keeps ripping. I'm not going to chase because I have a smaller account. I just can't put myself in this volatile of a position. Unfortunately, I missed the best play. I know that it's sort of wrong to say, oh, I missed the best play, but with my account, I have to be extremely selective with the trades I take, and you know, in the around 120 range, it probably would have been a good buy. It was threatening those highs. I mean, I could talk about it as much as I want, but for most of the people who saw the live stream, I mean, this was gapping up, and or was looking at the market at this time. This was gapping up pretty big. Caught my attention late. It broke its resistance. Broke its resistance at 117, 120-ish. APRN. APRN, no. CHK. Oh, no. SPN. FET. Okay. SPN. FET. FET. Oh. Pull back to 530s. A little bit of a bounce after that. $550s. ZSIN. I don't know, it's just days like this, it's tough, guys, because I'm just very upset. You know, not even to get into my feelings like that, but I mean, who wouldn't be upset? So this is a huge gap down, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. Who wouldn't be upset after missing that ATI play? I mean, it's just that analysis paralysis, you know, and so now the S&P's down 15 points, Nasdaq's down 13 points. So if we can put in a higher low for SPN, get the bounce at 540, 550 range. Yeah. I don't know. This isn't too liquid today. I'm probably just gonna stay away from it. CVM, SLS. CVM just keeps going, but I wouldn't trade it there because there's not much risk at this point. In the 470s. So CVM, SLS. But CMRX, I was trying to get a fill down in the 230s. I just wasn't patient enough. SMSI. So this is one of those, just one of those days where I'm just upset overall because ATAI didn't pull the trigger, CMRX not patient enough, and this is just the frustration of being a new trader, like, and just things are like just now a little bit starting to click in. It's like you see these things that you can identify as bullish, but you can't act on them because you keep analyzing, you keep trying to manage more and more risk, and at some point you just have to play. You know, you have to play it because CMRX, I mean ATAI, that was like a gimme, like that was totally a gimme with its pre-market action. So it's lower float, news catalyst, broke the 10-day highs, only 6 million float. had so much potential to the upside. Days like this where I miss these plays, it's important for me to just get back to studying and review the old charts that I like. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. Is I know it sounds crazy to call it 45 minutes in, but I could keep going through ticker and ticker and ticker and ticker and ticker, but I just really need to study more aggressively right now. So thank you for tuning in. Today was a very upsetting live stream session. I might trade a little bit later, around 11. In that case, I'll live stream that too. But as for now, I'm just gonna study more. You know, I took a snip of ATAI, so I'll be looking at that pretty closely. But other than that, that'll be it for today. But ATAI for sure the play of the day. So much to take from that. Even it just shows that even in a poor market, you can find these plays. I mean, as we look today, the Nasdaq's down 15 points, Dow's down 180 points, S&P's down 15 points as well. So not the best market conditions today, and there were still a couple plays. And CMRX, not too bad of a play if you wanted to get in the 230s. So CMRX is something I'll be taking a look at too. But you know, because I'm not able to play these in live time as well as I would like, I'm still so worried about excessively managing my risk. I'm gonna get back to studying because that ultimately is gonna reinforce the positive trading habits and getting into quality trades. So that'll be it for today. Hope you have a good day if you're tuning in. I'll be creating my watch list later, and then I may even live stream some more trading around 11 as well. Just sharing my thoughts here. All right, deuces.